Text animation is when you launch your animated text app. Variety of designs. We are merging our videos to get more text. Text animation is creating of moving letters, words, or paragraphs with the intention of grabbing viewers' attention and keeping their attention. You see, you can use text animation to better sell your products and services. You can use text animation to tell stories in a manner no other medium can do. In fact, there are a lot of benefits when you learn how to do this skill. If you watch this video to the end, I'll be taking you through step-by-step procedure on how to do compelling text animation to better sell your products and services. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Now let's get started. Before you can create your text animation, you will need to download two applications. Yes, we have the Legend text animation, and then we also have the Insot. The Legend text animation is for you to use it to create your videos, your text videos, and then we are going to use the Insot to add music to merge all the videos we have created. Yes, so quickly you go to Play Store and then you search for Legend text animation app. So you can see it here. So all you need to do is to download. Yes, and then you also search for Insot. So we have Insot here, so you can see. So you download that one too. So let me now take you through how to go by it. So the first app I'm going to use is Legend text animation. So I click on it to launch. So this is the first interface you are going to see when you launch your animated text app. So first of all, you are going to click on this play button. So when you click on the play button, now here you are going to enter whatever you want to write. Maybe you want to advertise something, or you want to introduce something to your audience. So let's say I'm going to write, "Welcome to Money Literate Academy channel." So this is the first text I'm doing. So after you are done, you just click on to mark. You check here. Yes, so when you check, you will see options to add videos. You see options to add pictures, and then you can also delete. So for now, we are not going to add anything here, so we are just going to click on here. You click on the play button. So when you click there, you'll see variety of designs, so you can choose the design you want. You can choose the design. There are so many. Yes, there are so many. So you can see. So I'm going to choose this. And then when you come down to, we have different colors. You can choose the color you want. So I'm just going to choose random designs and then random colors for you to see. So after you have finished choosing the design and then the color, so all you need to do now is to check here. Just click to check. So we are going to save as video. So you click on save as video. So after you are done, the video has been saved to your gallery. So you go back again and then you add more text. So I'm going to add more text in this channel. In this channel, we teach more about digital skills, how to make money online, tips and tricks. I've finished with this, so you can choose to add picture. You can choose to add picture to the text animated. So I click on the album, picture album. So I'm going to choose any picture at all. I'm going to choose a picture. I'm going to choose a picture. So I'm going to choose a picture, just a random picture. So I'll choose this picture. So you see, I check. So you see, in this channel we teach more about digital skills, how to make money online, tips and tricks. Yeah, so when you are done, you check here. But if you like, you can decide not to put any picture there. So this is just an example tutorials for you. So you can choose the design you want. So make sure the design is nice, and then you can choose the color as well. So you can do better. Yes, you can do better than what I'm doing. So you can see it is displaying. So when you are done, then you save the video, save as video. So you click to save the video. So we have got 2 videos so far. So we go back again, and then I'll delete this, and then I add another video. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and comment on this video. So we have got this. So as usual, I click, then I choose the design I want. I choose the design. So when I choose the design, I choose the color as well. So you can take time, you can take your time and then do it nicely. So when you are done, you save this picture as well. Save as video. So you can do more. You can do more. So far we have done 3 videos. We have saved 3 videos. So let's go to our gallery to see whether our videos are intact. So I go to gallery. So I search for my videos. So I have my videos here, about 3 of them. so I can also check it from here. So I have my videos intact. So all I'll do is to go to Insot. So we have our Insot here. You download if you have not downloaded. I'll also send you links of the Insot and then the legend text animation in the description below, so you can check it out. So Insot, I open my Insot. This is the first interface. So okay, so you might see ads as you use the app. So this is the first interface you are going to see. So our main purpose is video. So we are creating video, we are merging our videos together. So we have the video here. So I click on new. So these are the 3 videos I created, so I'll click on them to mark. So this is the first video, second video, and then the third video. So you click to mark. So after you've marked, then you can mark here as well. So we have our video here. So you can play the video to see whether you have chosen the correct video. So let me play it for you to see. So welcome to Money Literate Academy. In this channel we teach more about digital skills and stuff. Then if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so we have got the right videos. So now what we are going to do now is to navigate through all these icons. Yes, so first of all I'm going to add music. So you can see music here. So I'll add music to my video. So we have music here. If you have music on your phone, you can go to my music. When you go to your music, you can choose from the music on your phone or from your gallery. If you don't have music, you can use the Insot app musics. So you can choose the one you want. So I'm going to choose a random music for my video. So I choose this. So if you like it, just click on use. So let me play it for you to see. So you can see what I've done. So you can click to check. So you can add sticker, you can add more text, you can add text to it, you can check the effect of your work. So you click on, if you want to add text, you click on text. If you want to add effects, if you want to add filters, if you want to add filter, you can add. So you can navigate through. Yes. And then if you want to split the video, you can do that from here. If you want to delete, if you want to increase the volume or decrease the volume, you can do that. If you want to add a background, you want to add background to your video, you can do that as well. So we have background. If you want the video to move speed, you can add speed. So you can navigate. If you want to crop, you can do that, and so on and so forth. And then the opacity as well, you can do that. So you can see opacity, you can reduce the opacity. You can also duplicate. Yes, so that is that. So I've got this. So as I said earlier on, you can use this text animation to better sell your product and services. You can use it to do a lot. Yes, you can use it to teach other people, and then you make money for yourself. This is a skill. If you want to make good use of this text animation, you should navigate through all these icons. Yes, so after you are done, we have the save button here. You click to save your work. So I'm going to save my work. Yes, so I click on save. So you can see it is loading. It's loading and downloading our work. So after it has been saved, you can go to your gallery to check it out. So I go to my gallery. And then I can check it out from my gallery. So this is the video I created. Kindly click the like button to show me some love if you have gotten some value in this video. Now I have a question for you. In my next video, what do you want me to teach you? Or what do you want to learn from me? Just type it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to teach you more. Now somebody asked me to teach about how to record your phone screen, just like the way I'm doing in this video. So if you want to learn how to do that, see the top right corner here. The video is there. All you need to do is to click to watch and see how to record your phone screen. Click now to watch. See you there.